Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Stories, where learning English is simple, powerful, and life-changing. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you think speaking English attracts girls? Well, the real answer might surprise you. It's not English itself that attracts people, it's what English represents. When you speak English clearly, people often see you as confident, educated, and expressive. And psychology tells us something very important. Confidence is attractive, not just to girls, to everyone. But here's the truth you need to understand. If you speak English with fear, hesitation, and low confidence, it will not attract anyone. But if you speak even simple English with clarity, eye contact, and a calm voice, that creates a strong impression. Because attraction is not about language, it's about energy. Let me give you a simple example. Two people say the same sentence. Hi, how are you? One says it nervously, looking down. The other says it with a smile, eye contact, and confidence. Same English, different impact. So what should you focus on? Not perfect English. Focus on clarity, confidence, connection. Use simple words. Speak slowly. Be natural. Remember this powerful idea. People don't fall for language. They connect with personality. English is just a tool. You are the real value. So don't learn English to impress others. Learn it to express yourself better. Because when you express yourself clearly, people don't just notice you, they remember you. And that is what truly attracts. I'll see you in the next video.